Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about hydraulic force and travel. We can see hydraulic mechanisms all around. Could be the brake system of your bicycle if it's hydraulic. Could be the brake system of your car, of your motorcycle. Could be a car jack to lift the car to change a tire. So in this drawing is the basics. There are two cylinders, one with a small diameter, one with a bigger diameter. The thing about hydraulics is that the pressure inside here is all the same. So no matter where you measure, the pressure will be the same. If we put a force here in this small cylinder, the force in this bigger cylinder will be greater. But the travel in this small cylinder will be much longer than the travel in this bigger cylinder. This is the trade-off about the force and travel. This video is going to be based on this book, Fundamentals of Fluid Mechanics. To find the force, we have this formula. Force equals pressure times area. We know that the force will be different and the diameter, which we can write as area, will be different. The only thing that is the same is the pressure. Every point of this system will be the same pressure. The pressure is equal in both sides. So we can rewrite this formula here. As we can see in this drawing, we're going to be based this explanation in this drawing. It's a car jack to lift to change the tire. I put here some information that we know. The diameter of this first cylinder is 10 millimeters. The diameter of the second cylinder is 75 millimeters. The travel we're going to be using in this first cylinder is 100 millimeters. The travel in the second we're going to find out. The force we're going to be using here is 50 kilograms. The force in the second we're going to find out. The first thing we need to find is the area. Area of the first cylinder and area of the second cylinder. This is the formula of the area. Area equals radius squared times pi. We have the diameter. The radius is half of the diameter. The area of the first piston will be half of 10 is 5 squared times pi. Area of the second piston will be half of 75, which is 37.5 squared times pi. So this is the formula of the force. Force 2 equals force 1 times area 2 divided by area 1. Force 1 we have 50 kilograms times area 2, which is 4,418 millimeters squared. Area 1, which is 78.5 millimeters squared. Doing the math, we have the force 2 equals 2,081.5 kilograms. So force 2 will be 2.8 tons. We made 50 kilograms of force and the result will be 2.8 tons. The bigger the second diameter is, the bigger the force will be. Now we're gonna see how much the travel will be different in this case. To find the travel, the formula is very similar. The only thing that really changes is that we flip the area 2 divided by area 1, now we have area 1 divided by area 2. So here we have travel 2 equals travel 1, which we have here is 100 millimeters, times area 2, area 1, divided by area 2. So 100 times 78.5 divided by 4,418. Travel 2 will be 1.78 millimeters. So we start with 100 of travel of this first piston, and the travel of the second piston is 1.78 millimeters. A very small change in travel there. We made these assumptions in millimeters and in kilograms. If you use in pounds here, let's say if you use the force in pounds, the result force will be in pounds. If you use the travel in inches, the result travel will be in inches. We can increase or decrease the travel and the force by adding levers, like levers in your bicycle or motorcycle, levers to push the piston, levers in this example of the car jack, you have the lever to push the first piston. So this is basically how the hydraulic systems work. I hope you enjoy it.